Hola. Hey everyone, welcome back. We are currently in Guadalajara and we are getting ready to head south to explore Lake Chapala, which is Mexico's largest lake. Before we get there, we've got to make about an hour drive to get out of the city and head south. So let's go!
We have just arrived in Ajijic, Pueblo, Mexico, on the shores of Lake Chapala.
I really enjoy how colorful all of the buildings are here. It's very pretty. Finnley! So a white horse has spent all morning with us just grazing outside front of the van, and now about 10 cows have shown up.
I wasn't expecting this.
Oh. Hey. You're doing great, Finnley. Don't bark at the cows. Hola. Gracias.
He says it's not a problem that we're here.
Cool.
I said we don't want to be a problem. He's like, oh no, no problem at all. I think he lives right there.
Oh, nice. So we spoke to the farmer, the guy that was on the horse, who owns the cows, and apparently he brings them here every day to graze for lunch. We also asked him if it was okay for us to park here for the night, and he said yes. So we're gonna park here for the night. Isn't that right, Finnley? He is very interested in watching the cows. So we were sitting here out front of the van just enjoying the view, and a guy walked over and very kindly gave us a bowl of fruit and said welcome, and I just thought that was so nice. So I can't remember what the name of the fruit is, but we had this when we visited Jose's tequila farm. So they look like this, and inside is a fleshy part with a seed, and you eat the flesh part, not the seed. Anyways, we just wanted to share that because that was a random act of kindness and it just made us feel so welcome here. So, thank you. Hello. You're very cute. It would appear I've made a new friend.
Oh wow, the sun.
There's been quite a few forest fires in the area, so it's quite smoky, but every now and then it clears up and we get really pretty views of the other side of Lake Chapala. But because of the fires, the sun is red. Hello. Hola.
we've been having a lot of fun relaxing on the shores of Lake Chapala. It's a nice change of pace after Guadalajara, and it's the first kind of nature spot we found to park since being on the mainland. Next, we are going to be going to another Pueblo, Mexico. It's called Tapalpa, and it's a mountain town that's supposed to be very pretty, so we are excited to go check it out.